A little bit. No, wine. Okay.
I'm about to down this. No,
I got more.
I feel as though with Essex I had a semi-peaceful um
Semi-peaceful?
semi-peaceful. It was cool. With Essex it was cool. But with Emmy, all of that stuff happened. I was pregnant with Emmy when you said that I hit your son.
But that was like towards the end, right?
It still stressed me out.
That was not the only reason why you had a stressful day.
No, I'm just saying like the internet and all types of stuff. Like that stressed me out. Then I had a newborn baby and I was pregnant. And then I was in California and I have no family. All I had was my friends, my baby daddy. And he was always traveling everywhere. So I never got like that kick your feet up.
Yeah.
You don't have to do anything like, pregnancy. A relaxing pregnancy.
So it was
but I did like my pregnancy. It was cool,
but it wasn't the dream pregnancy.
The dream, yes, exactly.
So cracking these eggs, I'm about to do the chicken now. So how we're gonna do this chicken is I'm gonna do it exactly how I did it. I made this before and I did it like I'm gonna put it in the flour and then put it in the egg and then put it in the bread. And we're gonna fry them things. Oh, should we add the noodles now?
Oh yeah. I'll do it.
Did you go through postpartum?
I went through postpartum, but I didn't know I was going through postpartum.
What triggered your postpartum?
I feel like my postpartum was like just like not being able to control my emotions, kind of. A little bit of depression. Like I would see it in like I had just moved into a new house and like I didn't have no desire to decorate it or anything. Like all I cared about was my kids. That's it. Like I was just focused on that. And then also I didn't feel like myself. But like when people would talk like my mom.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good. Just did kind of miss you. Cause me not see you and it look like say you never talk to me. But everything good though. So you went outside today?
No.
Oh, you just a chill home.
But
That's
when I
good.
look on the For You page yesterday, I see where you were praying and stuff.
Yeah. You like the prayer?
I never really feed into it, but I'm like, wow, you're overreacting because
Oh. Okay. It's cool. It's cool. Guys, stop the screen. And remember, yeah. So Brittany, but I make me come look for you. Eh?
hmm?
But I make me come look for you.
Yeah, one of these days.
Okay. No problem. No, me just did a play a song a while ago.